guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I have a basic maintenance video for you guys. So what I'll be doing is a wiper blade refill, which is just changing the rubber inserts inside of the wiper blade. These newer Volvos, they have the spray mechanism for the washer fluid inside of the wiper blade itself, and they are also heated, which make the wiper blade unit very expensive to buy. So doing a wiper blade refill like I'm doing today is just as effective and costs much less than replacing the whole wiper blade unit. So we're going to start off inside of the car to put the wiper blades in service mode. Once you're inside the car, you want to swipe right and you want to find wiper service mode, like that. And now you can lift up the wiper blades, and to get these inserts out you're going to need a small screwdriver, and up here you will find a small tab right there and an arrow pointing to the left. So you're going to be pushing the tab to the left and the whole thing will just slide out. So I don't know if you can see the tab or not, but it's right here, and we're going to be pushing it to the left. And if you still can't see it, I'll show you on the new insert. So this is the tab, and we're going to be pushing it to the side to where the arrow is pointing, and it will slide right out. And now take your new insert and slide it down just where it was sitting before. Make sure it's all the way down. Click. And now we'll do the other one. Now we have both of the wipers replaced, and like I said before, this is a much more cheaper alternative than buying the whole wiper blade unit, since these units do cost a lot of money on these cars. And this is a very easy job to do at home, takes like 10 minutes, so it's a easy DIY job. And that will be it for this video. If you found this video helpful, then please like and subscribe. Thanks.